Why is Nervos Network up 39% in the past 24 hours? First, looking at the news, there's an article from Binance Square on June 17th to 18th, 2025, discussing CKB's focus on Bitcoin Layer 2 solutions with RGB++, Fiber Network, and UTXO Stack. This seems significant because Layer 2 solutions are a hot topic, especially with Bitcoin's dominance. The article mentions real-world adoption with over 400 dApps and 662K addresses. That could be a catalyst. Then, in the post from July 21st, 2025, highlighting Nervos Network's layered architecture and interoperability, which might attract developers and investors. Also, a community post on CoinMarketCap from July 21st mentions a bullish technical setup, with a breakout above $0.0065. There's also a mention of CKB being part of Made in China tokens gaining attention, with a 13% rise noted on July 10th. However, that's a bit older. The recent 24H surge is 39%, so more recent factors are likely at play. Technical analysis shows the price is above key moving averages, 7-day SMA at $0.0054. The RSI is around 60 to 62, indicating bullish momentum but not overbought. MACD histogram is positive, suggesting upward momentum. Fibonacci levels show the price is above the 23.6% retracement at $0.0064, which might act as support. Market-wise, the overall crypto market cap is up 1.92% in 24H, but CKB's 39% surge outpaces that. The Fear and Greed Index is at 64 greed, which supports risk-on behavior. Altcoin Season Index is at 44, up 120% in 30 days, signaling growing altcoin interest. However, there's conflicting news from June about a $3 million hack on Force Bridge, but that's from 2 months ago. The recent news seems positive, so the hack's impact might have been priced in earlier. Also, KuCoin supporting CKB network upgrades on July 8 could have contributed to positive sentiment. Putting it all together, the primary catalyst is likely the progress in CKB's Bitcoin L2 solutions RGB++, Fiber Network, and their adoption. Supporting factors include technical breakout, positive market sentiment towards altcoins, and exchange support. Need to check if the timing aligns. News from June 17th to 18th and recent community posts on July 21st. The 24H surge coincides with the July 21st posts and technical setups mentioned. Also, the altcoin season index rising suggests capital rotation into altcoins like CKB. Primary catalyst would be the Bitcoin L2 developments, supporting factors like exchange upgrades and community sentiment, technical context with RSI and moving averages, and market dynamics like altcoin season. Conclusion ties these together and prompts a question about sustainability. Need to ensure all data points are correctly cited and relevant. Avoid mentioning the June hack since it's old and not impacting the current surge. Check the dates on news articles to confirm they're within the 24H window or recent enough to influence the price. The Binance Square article is from June 17th to 18th, which is over a month old, but the community posts and technical analysis are from July 21st, which is within the 24 hours window. So the recent technical breakout and community sentiment are more immediate drivers, while the earlier news on L2 developments provides foundational support. Also, the users provided data includes a 1,183% increase in 24 hours trading volume, which is a huge spike, confirming strong buying pressure. High volume often validates price movements. The turnover is 0.982, indicating high liquidity, which supports the price increase. So, the main points are: 1. Bitcoin L2 developments RGB++, Fiber driving adoption. 2. Technical breakout above key levels with high volume. 3. Positive market sentiment towards altcoins. 4. Exchange support KuCoin upgrades and community hype.